So here we'll see question number 37. A tower and a building stand vertically on the level ground. So on the level ground, there is one tower, okay, which is standing straight, and there is a building which is standing here. So AB is the tower and CD is the building. Okay. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to a window of the building, which is 20-meter above the ground, is 30 degree, as shown in the diagram. So from the foot of the tower, okay, towards the building, E is the window till here, okay. ED is the 20-meter and the angle is 30 degree. Okay, so this is given until here. Okay, until here. From the same window, the angle of the elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. So from the window to the top of the tower, the elevation is 60 degree until here. From the top of the building, the angle of depression to the foot of the tower is 45 degrees. So from the top of the building to the foot of the tower, the depression angle is 45 degrees. And now we have to find all these things. So first they are asking us to find the distance between the tower and the building. So this is the tower, this is the building, so the distance between them is AD. So AD is what we have to find. Okay, so this is the first thing which we have to find. Then the height of the tower. So height of the tower is what? AB. So AB is what we have to find, right? Second number. Then the third thing, the height of the building. Then the CD is the height of the building. So CD, we need to find the height of the building. And then lastly, the distance between the top of the building to the foot of the tower. Top of the building to the foot of the tower means AC distance is what we have to find. So these are the four things which we have to find in this question. So we'll start with our question number 1. Okay. So for the first question, what we'll do is we'll consider triangle in triangle ADE. ADE. Okay, this one ADE. This triangle we'll take. And here the theta is how much? The theta is 30 degree. It is given in the question, right? So one side is given, ED is given. So the other side we can find out because we have theta. So AD we have to find because that is our first question. And for that, which ratio we will take? We will take tan theta. Because in tan theta, the formula is perpendicular divided by base. This is theta. So the side opposite to theta is perpendicular and the side adjacent to theta is base. So we know one side and we have to find the other side. So like that we need to take the ratio, which is one known side and one unknown side, which we have to find out. So P and B we need, and P and B we have in tan. So tan theta is what this tan formula is what we need to use. So the theta angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 is equal to perpendicular is DE and base is what? Base is AD. And we need to know the value of tan theta, which is 1 upon root 3 is equal to DE is how much? DE is 20 and AD is what we have to find out. We will do cross multiplication. So AD is equal to 20 root 3. Okay, centimeter. And if AD is 20 root 3 centimeter, then it also means that FE is also 20 root 3 centimeter. It is one and the same. If you say AD or if you say FE, both is equal to 20 root 3 centimeter. So this is the answer for our first sub question. On the next page, we will find the second sub question now. Now here we will do the second question. For that, what we will do is we will consider triangle FBE. FBE. Which is that FBE. FBE. right? You can see here. And here the theta in this triangle what we have is 60 degree. Okay. And here this is the theta. So the side opposite to theta, this is perpendicular, and the side adjacent to theta FE is how much? FE. This FE is our base. Okay. Now, so one side we know, FE we know, okay, just now we found out, and FB is what we have to find. Okay, so one known side and one unknown side. So that is how we solve the questions in trigonometry. So for we need P and B. So P and B, you know, we will get in tan formula. So tan theta is equal to P upon B. So the formula of tan is P upon B, perpendicular upon base. And the theta angle is how much? Theta is 60 degree and perpendicular is FB, and base is FE. So tan 30 degree value is root 3, and FB is what? Uh, FB is what we have to find actually, and FE is how much? In the last question we have found out it is 20 root 3. Now we will cross multiply. So FB is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. So FB is equal to 20 into root 3 will become 3. So therefore FB will become 60. Now we know that mm, we know that FA is equal to ED. FA is equal to ED, because this is given it is 20. So if this is 20, this should be also 20. So 20, right? And now what we can say that we will write here. We can say that AB is equal to AF plus FB. So AF or FA, whatever you say it is 20, and FB is how much? 60. So AB is how much? AB is 80 centimeter. And this is what they had asked us to find in our second question. So this is the answer of our second question. Now we will see question number 3 and question number 4. Now, in the third question, we have to find the height of the building. CD is what we have to find out. And for that, we have done a little bit of construction here. So we have to draw a line XC or CX, okay, parallel to AD, okay, here, first thing. Now, XCD, this entire angle will be equal to 90 degree, because these two lines are parallel lines and the angle between the parallel lines is 90 degree, right? Now, if ACD, if this angle what they have given is 45 degree, then the remaining angle from the entire 90 degree will be, this will be also 45. So this is what I have written. Now, according to alternate interior angles, if we see XC is parallel to AD and AC is acting like a transversal. So if this angle is 45 degree, then this angle will be also equal to 45 degree. That is what I have written here. Now what we will do, we will say in triangle ACD. Okay, here theta is equal to 45 degree. See here, we are taking triangle ACD. Okay, ACD, and this theta, how much we have? 45 degree we have. Now this side, this entire side will become act like an perpendicular, and this side will become base for the triangle. And we know the base, it is 20 root 3. we have to find the entire height of the building. CD is what we have to find. So again P and B, again we have to take tan. Okay, so tan theta formula is P upon B, and tan theta is how much? 45 degree. So perpendicular is what? It is CD, and base is how much? It is AD. And tan 45 degree is 1, the value is 1, and CD is what we have to find out, and AD is how much? AD is 20 root 3. We will cross multiply here. Okay, so CD is equal to 20 root 3. Okay, 20 root 3 centimeter. So this is our answer for CD, guys. So CD is 20 root 3 centimeter. Now we will find the last question, question number 4. Okay, they have asked us to find AC. AC is what we have to find in question number 4. Now here what we will do, we will consider triangle, in triangle ACD, this triangle ACD. Okay, ACD, this triangle we will consider, and here we will go with the same theta angle 45 degree which we have here. Okay, and this will become perpendicular, this will become base, and AC will become hypotenuse, guys, here, right? Because the 90 degrees here. Now here we have base, we have the measurement of base, we want to find the measurement of hypotenuse. So base and hypotenuse comes in cos. So cos theta we will use. So base upon hypotenuse. So cos of 45 degree is equal to, base is AD, hypotenuse is the AC. Cos 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2. AD is 220 root 3, and AC is what we have to find out. We will cross multiply here. So AC is equal to 20 root 3 into root 2. So therefore AC is 3 to the 6, inside values we can multiply. So 20 root 6 is the distance of AC. So this completes our all the questions, all the 4 sub questions we have solved in this question. Guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It really motivates me. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.